It's Chantel with Telly's Talking Chalk. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're all well. Today we are going to be looking at some canvases that we have made up over the 2 years that I've been with Chalk Tour. If you are live, say hello. Let me know where you're coming in from. Let me get this shared out so we have some more friends to visit. Let me know how you're doing. I can't figure this out. That's interesting. Okay, so I just can't send that out right now. But when you're jumping on, say hello. I'll share that later, hopefully. So, we're going to go one by one through this. If you like anything you see, let me know in the comments, or you can private message me. I won't be giving out prices today, so if you want an actual price on it, message me. So this is In All Things Give Thanks. This is an old design we had. Oh, I guess I should be doing it the other way. Let's do it this way, so you can actually see it. Can you flip the camera as well? I'd rather the big one being this. Not me. Because it's hard to see that corner. So there's In All Things Give Thanks. And then I can also adjust where I'm at. Oh, am I backwards to myself? I don't know. Everything's backwards. So there's that one. Sunshine on My Mind is the next one. I think I'm relatively right this time, maybe. We're going to be all over the place with these because I have no particular order and I'm putting them up. So this is Santa approved. I will say these will go for anywhere from 10 to 25, depending on the size. This is Always Be a Mermaid. Making Spirits Bright. Again, if you're jumping on, say hello. Let me know where you're coming in from. We're looking at all the canvases that we have made that I am putting up for sale. This one is a canvas. This was not a Chalk Tour design per se, but it is one for sale. I did use Chalk Tour based on that. That's why I'm selling it this way. The same as this goes. Kindness Matters. I don't think this one. I know we have a Kindness Matters one, but I don't think this was it. It might be, but I can't remember. Summer is My Happy Place. This is a black canvas. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Again, you can message me anytime, even if you're seeing the replay. Hashtag replay. And we're going to say yes to new adventures. I know this one isn't a Chuck Tour design. This was one of the ones that I grabbed from the other store, but I used the Chuck Tour paste on. I feel like we're gonna have an avalanche in a minute. That's okay. Then we have a Valentine's one. This one's an older one. No, you're okay. Just leave it. It's fine. You ever play those builder block games where you have to stack them and see how tall you can make them, and if you're off on one side, you just build? This is Cotton Farms. It's kind of an Eastery one. I was gonna make this into a basket, but I didn't get a chance to yet because I can't go to the dollar store. COVID. Okay, let's put it back to Abby then. Wild and free. That was nice and time. In timing. I like it. And then we have our Halloween one, Creep It Real. There's sparkles and everything all over this one. Why are you looking at me like that? Like a husband and working in the background and he's making faces at me. I'm scared. Okay, heaven is under our feet as well as over our heads. I like how this one turned out. I thought this one was pretty.
Move it towards the pile. A little more.
This one's a bigger one, so it's harder to get it all in. I was getting nervous. All right now.
Close enough.
Maybe. Now we have the power of finding beauty in the humblest things, make home happy and life lovely. And then the person's name. Louisa Waycott?
Louisa May Alcott.
No, okay. I can't read upside down. In handwriting. I can read like print upside down. I can't read writing upside down. It's weird. But yes. It's pretty. I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength. I always read that wrong because I know it is a different way. Okay? Scripture is always written like different ways, and like I read it wrong every time. Getting there, people. We have 4 more, I think. Something like that. Oh, you know how many? You've got this all counted out? May the road rise up to meet you. It's an Irish blessing. My mouth can't make me talk. Or at least not real English. Oh, why didn't I put... Oh, this is funny. Now we're going back to... Anybody need Christmas in their life? Or at least snow? This is the next one, the next two are... So Santa Claus is coming to town. that awkward stage of how long do you want to hold them up for? Like, I don't want to whip through them because I'm running out. This is their Snow Place Lack Home. Hey everybody! I am doing a canvas sale. If you go back to the beginning and watch the replay, you will see all of what I've got. Private message me if you would like anything and I will get the pricing for you. Okay, this one is one of the first ones I did. Nobody made it. It didn't work out the way I wanted it to. But this was one of the very first ones I did. Long time ago. It's almost 2 years. Actually, I don't know if it was quite 2 years, only because I don't know when I actually started going live. I don't think it was 2 years ago. Alright, now this is going to be the interesting one, because this is huge. Thank you. Because I was trying to push it nicely without it, like... There we go. Got it into the right spot. I will pull back out though, because I got it a little further out than I thought I did by the end of it. This is give the ones you love wings to fly, roots to come back, and reasons to stay. Oh, I read that upside down. I'm surprised half the time if I can read that upside right. That is all I have for you for canvases today. I will get more situated and ready for us tomorrow. But I hope you enjoyed. I hope you like what you see. If you do, like and follow my business page. Come to my VIP group if you're not a designer. You can also follow me on Instagram and YouTube. Yes. And check out tellystalkandchalk.ca for any other finished goods that I haven't shown you yet, or by the end of this. I'm pretty sure you'll have seen everything by then. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.